Jamaica Day 2019 is just around the corner, and the plan is to achieve greater inclusion and participation this year.
You will recall last year, I indicated at the launch of Jamaica Day that the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information's intention is to get every ministry involved in Jamaica Day. Well, it is a promise kept. This year, all ministries are required to decorate their buildings or main building using the Jamaican colors in what we are calling a Best Decorated Building competition. We're asking that these buildings be donned or draped in the colors as early as the first week of February. A team from the Jamaica Day Planning Committee will be visiting these buildings during the week of February 11 to 15 to judge and take pictures.
But that's not all. There's one more bold move for this year's staging.
This year, we have moved away from staging the national celebration in the featured school or in a featured school. This year, the national event will be hosted, yes, at the National Arena. Schools will still host a sermon. However, each school will be required to send 10 students to the National Arena, accompanied by the school's culture agent and other members or another member of staff.
And now for the details you've been waiting to hear.
Friday, February 22, 2019 will be celebrated as Jamaica Day under the theme Celebrating Jamaica, Embracing Positive Values, Visioning Inclusive Education, and of course, for a better Jamaica.
And what exactly does all of this mean?
This year, we are expecting our students to use the arts, dance, drama, music, visual arts, and other art forms to promote concepts learned from the National Standards curriculum while they display other aspects of our culture.
We have been seeing over the years that there are many children out there who can perform in the arts, but people are streamlining them and are thinking that the only thing that we are interested in and the only thing that is important to them and for them is for them to do the academic subjects.
We want our nation to focus on, one, demonstrating love and compassion, respect, truthfulness, self-discipline, peace, right conduct, productivity, among others.
The best gift we can give Jamaica is a well-educated population. Nothing can beat that. That is socially aware, that is spiritually aware. And that is how we eliminate the violence and create safe spaces through engaged and productive citizens with positive values.
So come Friday, February 22, Jamaicans will have a host of engaging and uplifting activities to enjoy.
Apart from a civic ceremony, which will begin promptly at 8 a.m., the students and all other attendees will be given the opportunity to view rich cultural displays in the village which will be set up. Some schools and other organizations will be displaying their innovations in the areas of science, technology, engineering, the arts, and mathematics. Many other ministries and entities will have things on display which will be beneficial to everyone as part of the inclusive education for a better Jamaica.
The winner of the Best Decorated Building competition will also be announced on the day. And to culminate the celebrations is a grand concert with the tagline, "Put some pep in your step with love and respect."
The concert will feature some of our best school bands and other performers, including notable and popular artists from the music industry.
So for Jamaica Day 2019, all roads lead to the National Stadium.
Jamaica Day is everybody's business. Whether you are a Jamaican in Jamaica, a Jamaican living abroad, or just a visitor to Jamaica, Jamaica Day should be your business, especially on the 22nd of February.